Have you ever wondered why some players feel way smoother and more responsive than everyone else, even without a high-end phone? Most gamers don't even realize their phone is holding them back. Hidden background apps, unstable FPS, slow touch response, all silently ruining your gameplay. But recently, I discovered a special game optimization tool that quietly boosts performance. And the crazy part? Almost nobody talks about it. You won't believe how much smoother your games get after enabling this. No root, no risky tweaks, just pure performance. Let me show you.
What the dog doing?
Stop overpaying for Mobile Legends Diamonds. With Top Up Live, you can save up to 35% instantly. TopUpLive.com is a global, trusted top-up platform, legally registered in Singapore under SEA Whale technology. They specialize in fast, secure, and affordable game credits for Mobile Legends and many other popular games. Why choose Top Up Live? They support region-specific payment options like Dana in Indonesia and GCASD PSH in the Philippines. Checkout is SSL encrypted, so your data stays protected. Wondering how to top up Mobile Legends Diamonds the easy way? Let me show you. First, go to topuplive.com. The link is right below in my description. Once you're there, you'll be taken directly to the official MLBB top-up page. You'll notice right away, there are huge discounts on diamonds. Choose the diamond package that fits your budget. For example, I'll pick this one to show you how it works. Next, scroll down and fill in the required details. Your MLBB user ID and server ID. Make sure everything is correct to avoid delays. Don't forget, before you check out, enter my exclusive discount code, MOVE, to save even more. After that, select your preferred payment method. Top Up Live supports tons of options like Gcash, PayMaya, Dana, and even international methods. Finally, confirm your order and that's it. Fast, safe, and easy. You'll see your diamonds delivered in just minutes.